We are suffering the poor political choices of others. During the tenure of former President Goodluck Jonathan, the economy was on a fantastic run. There was progress and the average earning of the common man was good. The economy was one of the fastest growing in Africa. However, in those progressive years, the southwest of Nigeria fought against the successful government of Goodluck Jonathan until the government was pushed out. The next two presidents the southwest supported and voted in turned out to be monumental failures. They supported the failure Buhari, under whom the economic progress made under Goodluck Jonathan was truncated and reversed. The next person the southwest supported and voted in was current President Tinubu. The current president has ruined the economy even further, driving millions under the poverty line. He was voted for only because he is from the region. He was voted for on the basis of tribalism. Today, millions of people who do not share the same ideology as Southwest Nigeria are suffering extreme financial difficulty. The Southwest has brought untold hardship on other regions and many are greatly aggrieved. This kind of poor choices are a major reason why West Africa is backward and underdeveloped, and we must continue to call it out.